you asking for?
I respectfully ask the court, given the facts, for a new date for the preliminary exam, Your Honor, although I don't have an excuse as to why he didn't zoom in.
Are the people ready on this matter?
The people do have the necessary witnesses to proceed, and we motion for KPS.
Well, he's not here, but he has another court date. And why wouldn't you have requested an adjournment on behalf of your client, counsel, prior to today? Because of the conflict? Or did you just learn of this?
I did just learn of this, Your Honor. Mr. Sledge did not inform me in advance that he had another court date in Novi, but he assumed that he could zoom in. I told him this was an in-person preliminary exam, and that's where the conversation left off, Your Honor. The last time I spoke to Mr. Sledge was approximately 9:10 this morning, Your Honor.
I think what I'd rather have you do, counsel, is still try and get a hold of your client to see whether or not he can make it in for his exam prior to issuing. I don't want to really issue a capias because he's in, he can't be in two places at one time. And so to issue a capias, I don't think that's the right thing to do. Especially that he had another court hearing. He needs to zoom in. You need to get a hold of him to zoom in. I'll give you an opportunity to do that.
Yes, Your Honor.
When you looked up his name, did you see what courtroom he was in?
That information was not available to me, Your Honor. They don't docket it that way.
Your attorney, you can call the Novi court and let them know you're representing this defendant and ask what courtroom is he in to see if he's still there. Now, if he's gone, then I would have reason to issue a capias.
I will call right now, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. So we'll pass on this matter. All right, counsel, Kitty, is my understanding you have a hold that's ready down there?
Yes, I also have a waiver, Judge.
Okay, so let me do the waiver. The hold I can't do at this moment. My docket will conclude at 11:45. I've got 2 more exams to get through, and then I can come down and take care of whatever else you have left if nobody else comes before me.
Okay, Judge. Calling case number 2356160, the people of the state of Michigan versus James Adams. Defendant is charged with count 1, controlled substance, delivering, manufacturing cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 50 grams. Count 2, controlled substances, possession, cocaine, heroin, or another narcotic less than 25 grams. Count 3, police officer assaulting, resisting, obstructing, habitual offender, second notice. This matter is scheduled for examination.
Good morning, Judge Alex Tony on behalf of the people, P number 86590.
Good morning, Your Honor. Vanessa Hamilton, P82107, on behalf of Mr. Adams, who joins us in the courtroom to my right.
All right, and how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, we're going to be waiving the preliminary exam today. I've reviewed the rights that my client is giving up with him. He's voluntarily making that waiver.
All right, is there any objection to the waiver?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right, I'm going to question your client regarding the preliminary examination, making sure that you understand your rights. Do you affirm you'll answer my questions truthfully today?
Yes, ma'am.
State your name for the record.
James Maurice Adams.
All right, thank you. This court will advise you that you do have a statutory right to a preliminary examination. It requires that the people show that there is probable cause to believe that a crime was committed in the city of Detroit, probable cause to charge you with that crime. Do you understand when you waive the exam, we will not hold that hearing? This matter will be bound over for further proceedings in Wayne County Circuit Court. Do you understand these rights?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and after talking or speaking with your attorney, is it your decision to have this matter move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, has anybody promised or threatened you in any way to get you to waive your rights?
No, ma'am.
All right, you do so freely and voluntarily, is that correct?
Yes,
Did you sign the waiver in the presence of your attorney today?
yes, ma'am.
All right, there being no objection by the people, the court finds the waiver has been given freely, voluntarily, understandingly. This matter will move forward to the Wayne County Circuit Court. Your next court date is the arraignment on the information. It is May the 2nd. That'll be at 9 o'clock in Frank Murphy Hall of Justice. If there's no objection, this court will continue the bond. Is there
Thank
any
you, Judge.
objection? I hear a response.
I think.
Oh, she said no objection.
All right, the APA, correct?
That's correct.
That's who I'm asking. All right, you got to speak up. All right, thank you. That concludes this hearing.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you. All right,
Thank
Kitty,
you,
I'll
Judge.
check once I'm finished here.
Okay, Judge, thank you.